Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I do in-ear monitor reviews and unboxings and earbud reviews and unboxings. And today I'm going to be unboxing some special earbuds. These are the Google Pixel Buds, the A series. I got these through the Pixel 6 pre-order through T-Mobile. If anybody wasn't able to get the 256 gigabyte model, I share your pain. So we look along the side of the box. I got the Google, got what the buds look like. Then we got Google Pixel Buds A series, clearly white. That's the color. So I got my big unboxing knife. I'm itching to grab this thing. Maybe, whew, been itching. Okay, set that to the side. Also, happy Halloween. I wish I had more props. I got a Ash from Evil Dead Funko Pop and a Leatherface Funko Pop, but that thing ain't coming till like mid-November. All I got is some candies and my special Halloween t-shirt. So, let's open this thing up. Let's see. How do you open this thing up? Ah, okay. Here we go. Alright, here's the buds. This case is a lot smaller than I thought. Let me put that to the side. Take that out. I got some more stuff in here. Okay. Wow. They actually included charger cable. It's about as long as the one that comes with the phone. Okay. Put that to the side. And this right here, we have the... Is this glued on here? Yeah, it is. It's glued on there. Okay. Open this up. Let's look at the tips. Let's see. Oh, they're gray. Okay, white earbuds, gray tips. So these are the large and the small. They're pretty good. Pretty grippy. Alright, what else we got? And we got some paperwork. I don't care about that. Let me stick that back on there and put it back in the box. And let's focus on the buds themselves. There. Let me get that box out of here. Okay, now let's see. We this plastic off. And they really put a lot of effort into this. They just could have simply put some cardboard or something on it there. Alright, let's look at these buds. Wow, they look pretty nice. Okay, let's take them out and look at them. Oh wow, they're small. And that little rubber fin, it looks like it's built into the bud. I thought that maybe that you could replace that. Yeah, we got some microphones, got charging pins, we got a white face with the G on there on the front. Oh, okay, that's nice. I'm assuming these are the medium tips on. Let me take these off. Let me look at the spout or nozzle. Okay. Not bad looking. But I got a little something in my pocket. Yep, I ordered some more from Amazon. They came today or yesterday, however you want to look at it. Let me go ahead and open these up. I'm about to put these on here. I'm about to test these out. These about to be my buddies for the next 2 weeks. Okay. All right. I got plenty of spin fit tips. They're all over, but they're on other earbuds at the moment, so might as well start off with a fresh pair. Let's see. Since these are small, let me start with the medium first, and I'll just work my way up. Come on, get on there. Ah, they fit. That's good to know. They do it for the left one. Stock tips will probably fit just fine, but like I say, I'm always extra. See what they fit in the ears. Very good. Ooh. Wow, these are no discomfort. And that fin actually helps secure them even better. Wow, these are nice. Okay. Let me try and pair these up to a phone right quick, because I have several. Let's see. All right. Open them up. Got an LED indicator light underneath. That's pretty neat. Okay. Is there like a pairing button on these? Nope. It's just kind of like an egg shape. Case feels nice. Alright, I don't see it showing up in my Bluetooth settings. Let's see here. Put it back in my ears again. All you do is just, insert and twist, and they're in there. Okay. Yeah, I don't hear nothing. Huh. Maybe I need to charge them up for a bit. I like the way they go in the case like that. I like how it's at an angle, so they're easy to take out. They're very easy to take out. Look at that. Clips. Look at that. Huh. Here's a, okay. We do got a pairing button. I was wondering. Okay. Now, let's press this. Hold on, let me see. I probably should put them in the case like this. Okay. I'm gonna lock my phone. I'm gonna open up the lid. Press the button. Oh, there they go. Pixel Buds A series. Pair. Okay. Alright, so it's saying I got a firmware update. Oh, hold up. It says tap to manually update your buds for the latest version. Oh wow, okay. So these are essentially like the OnePlus Bud Z. Like they got a little notification here. So Septien's Pixel Buds A series. Nice. That's nice. It says save device. Oh, that's my email address. Y'all can't be seeing that. Okay. Well, let me just go ahead and save it. It says set up. What we setting up? Oh yeah, these are basically just like the OnePlus Pixel Buds. I mean, the OnePlus Bud Z. Jesus. Okay, we got ear detection. It's showing you how to put the buds in your ears. Nice. That's very neat. Let's see what else we got. Adaptive sound. Sound features improve your audio experience but shorten the battery life of your earbuds. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got, ooh, look at all these touch controls we got. Pause and play is a single tap. Next track is a double tap. Previous track or repeat is triple tap. Answer calls is one tap. End or reject calls is a double or triple tap. And talk to your assistant or hear notifications, press and hold. Nice. So let me see, that's 3 controls. Pause, play, next track, previous track. Can you change them? No, you can't change them. Eh, that's a lot more than the OnePlus Bud Z, that's for damn sure. Ah, this is nice. Okay, cool. And it seems like this works better with OnePlus, I mean not OnePlus, but Android phones. Actually, as you can see here, let me show you. I am filming with the Pixel 6. I just got it Thursday night, Thursday afternoon, so I'll be pairing it up with this phone and be using the Buds with them. Also, fun fact, every last video that I've uploaded to my channel, I've used a smartphone. First was Pixel 4a, and then the 4a 5G, and then maybe before that I used my 12 Pro. So if you think about starting YouTube, all you need is a smartphone. So this has been the unboxing of the Pixel Buds A-Series True Wireless Earbuds. If you like what I'm doing here, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And with that, I'm out.